Hello viewers, Black Friday sale is running on FLIPKART.com, but I think there is no such offers in this sale where you can buy any tablet. The price of each tablet is on the higher side and there is not much discount with the credit card. Some of the favorite tablets such as Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus is on the higher side and you cannot buy this tablet below 25,000 rupees, which was available at about 21.5k during Big Billion Days sale. So many users want to know whether they should buy this tablet or not. My answer is no. You should wait for another sale when you can buy this tablet well under 25,000 rupees. Next, the price of iPad 10th generation is also about 30,000 rupees after discount. So I think the price is on the higher side. This tablet was available at 26.999 during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale. Even if you buy iPad 10th generation from Apple authorized reseller, in that case you can get discounts on credit cards. Plus, if you have student ID, in that case you can buy iPad 10th generation as 29,000 rupees from authorized reseller, and that will be offline store. The price of MI Pad 6 for the 128GB Wi-Fi version is about 20,000 rupees, and using bank cards you will get this device at 18,999 rupees. I think this is a very good price for this product. But if you want to buy the 256GB version, in that case you have to pay around 27,000 rupees without cards, and if you have card you will get discounts about 1,000 rupees. So the effective price will be 26,000 rupees. So I would not recommend you to buy the 256GB version right now, because the price of the 256GB version is on the higher side. And if you want to buy Oneplus Pad 2, in that case also the price is 2,000 rupees extra if you get this device under 36,000 rupees for the 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. In that case you can buy that tablet, but right now the price is on the higher side, so you can skip or wait for the right offers to come. Similarly, the price of iPad Air 5th generation, iPad Air M2 and also Poco Pad, Redmi Pad Pro, all these tablets are on the higher price point. So I would request you not to buy any tablet right now. Another sale will come before Christmas, so in that sale you may get a chance to buy your favorite tablet at a discounted price. So if you have no urgency, you should wait for the right offers to come, or if you have a great need of buying a tablet, in that case you have to pay extra amount to buy a tablet. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet, and did you get any discount while buying your tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.